Hello everyone, this is Kalpana from EITS Department, SNS College of Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about hashing techniques. So in data structure, hashing technique is used to search a particular element among several elements. We have discussed linear and binary search for searching an element. So like that, hashing is an efficient technique than our linear and binary search to find a particular element among many elements. So it minimizes the number of comparisons while performing the search. So that is the advantage of hashing techniques. Here the time complexity of hashing is order of 1, that is big O of 1. Hashing mechanism. Next is hashing mechanism. So here to perform hashing we need a data structure that is nothing but hash table. It is used to store the data items, our elements. Okay. So based on the hash key value, the data items are inserted into the hash table. So I'll explain with an example how the data elements are inserted into the hash table. So here the hash key value is a special value that serves as an index for the data item. So when you consider an array, you have index, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. So something like that, we call this as index. So this index is nothing but the position where we are going to store the data. Likewise in hash tables, we have indices. So that is nothing but this hash value provides this index to store the data elements. So it indicates where the data item should be stored in the hash table. Just remember our array. So you have an array. We are going to store the data elements into the array in the specified position, which is nothing but the array index, right? Likewise, in this hashing, so we are going to hash the particular element, data element, and we'll get the index. So in that index we are going to insert the data element. Okay, so that is the function of this hash key value. So using hash function we are going to generate this hash key value. Okay, we'll see what is hash function is. So this next is hash function. Hash function is a function that maps any big number or string to a small integer value. So here we are going to use this hash function. So this is a formula which we are going to use for hashing. So here hash key value is equal to key value modulo number of slots in the table. So this is the formula we are going to use. So here we have different types of hash functions. So first one is mid-square hash function, division, folding hash function, and it depends on the user which hash function they want to use. According to our application, according to our wants, we can choose the hash function. And next is this is the example of hashing. So here these are all the data items we have. So we are going to insert these data items into a hash table. Okay, so here 26, 70, 18, 31, 54, 93. These are all the values I am going to insert into the table. So here first just consider 26 is my data item. I am going to insert this value in the hash table. We'll see how we can do it. What is the formula of hash function? As we have discussed, it is the value modulo the size of the table. Let's consider here the size of the table is 10. Just see this hash table. The size of the table is 10, 0 to 9. So size of the table is 10. So 26 modulo 10 is what? 26 modulo 10 is 6. The hash value is 6 now. So at the place of 6, I am going to insert 26. So like this I have to perform. So next is 70. 70 modulo 10 is what? 0. So at the location 0, I am going to insert 70. And next is 18. 18 modulo 10 is remainder what I get 8. So 8 is the hash value here for 18. So the location 8 I am going to insert 18. So like this I have to perform hashing. So I have to get the data value, I have to find the modulo using the modulo function using that size. Number of slots are nothing but the size of the hash table. I'll give the, then I'll get the hash value. So in that hash value I'm going to insert the data item. So this is the thing we have to do while we are going to insert any value into the hash table.